In this video, I'll walk you through the simple review of SlickFlow. I'll guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. Core functionality, omni-channel messaging. SlickFlow centralizes communication from platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and others into a single inbox. Automation. It offers automation features to streamline customer interactions, including automated replies and workflows. CRM capabilities. SlickFlow provides CRM functionalities to manage customer data and interactions. E-commerce integration. It integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, enabling businesses to manage sales and customer interactions within the platform. Key strengths based on reviews. Improved productivity. Users report that SlickFlow helps streamline communication and boost productivity, especially for businesses with limited staff. Enhanced customer service. The platform facilitates faster response times and personalized messaging, leading to improved customer service. Omnichannel consolidation. The ability to manage multiple messaging channels in one place is highly valued. Potential considerations. Learning curve. Some users mention that there can be a learning curve, especially for those without a strong IT background. Automation rule limitations. Some users have expressed that the number of automation rules within certain plan levels could be a limiting factor.